thing. So header tags start your body of your post or your pages. And then you want to move into body text. So this is actually the third most important thing underneath title tags and header tags is what you actually put in your blog posts and on your pages. And the importance here comes in the form of body text. So what is body text? Well, it's the visible text on your homepage. And it's very important to put keywords and titles in your keywords in your titles and your headlines, but it's also very important to put keywords in the body text, but you want them to be in the body text in a natural sort of way. So you can see here, generally web pages should have about 200 words of text or more, with special emphasis on 2 or 3 carefully chosen keywords. 2 or 3, that's very important, 2 or 3. It's still not a header. I'm just editing what the text says. Now, when it comes time to making it a header, I am going to make this, since it is very important to me, I'm going to make this header 1 because, again, the search engines place most emphasis on